Welcome to CADDY TV. I'm Rick Lees. You know, CADDY's all about innovation. Either innovating from the beginning with the CADDY spring steel 50, 60 years ago to changing the way things are done to make life easier for the installer. So today we're going to talk about a typical installation where you're installing multiple runs of conduit underneath a building structure. In this case, it'll be an I-beam. So traditionally, you're going to go find a piece of strut, cut it to length, and once you get your piece cut to the length you need it to be, you're going to use some traditional beam clamps, muffler clamp style or window brackets, whatever it is that you prefer. Install the strut in place, tighten it down once you've got that all torqued up, and you're going to get traditional or some sort of strut strap, install the conduit to the strut underneath the beam. We've got a quicker, easier solution for you. And that solution is the SBT18. Now the SB18 is this little square bracket. It's available in pre-riveted assemblies to bang-ons or beam clamps or what have you. And the way this item works is you take whatever conduit strap that you want to use, you just snap it onto the tab and it locks in place. One of the things you'll notice once you've got all three of them, that the conduits are then going to align exactly with the knockouts on a traditional NEMA box. So that saves you offset bending, any of that. In this case, I've snapped the push-in style onto a beam clamp, and you'll notice I'm just putting it up. In this case, a little screwdriver is all I need to tighten it down, as opposed to all the tools required to do the strut style. Another advantage, the materials used in this are about 1/3 the cost of materials used in the traditional method. So significant savings off the top just in materials, and the labor is going to be reduced because it's so much easier to do.